Make a raccoon out of felt. Materials: felt sheets, 1 each of 4 colors, gray, black, pink, and white, plus 1 of stiffer white, needle, and embroidery thread, 1 skein each of black and white thread, scissors, straight pins, and a 12-inch dowel. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue or a glue gun instead. You can find the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Cut out the pieces. Use the pattern sheets to cut out the felt pieces. It will be helpful to pin the patterns to the felt with straight pins, then cut around the outlines. Start to sew. Pin the larger pieces in place with straight pins before sewing them to the raccoon body. Use black or white thread to match the color of the piece you are sewing down. Using white thread, sew the white face to the front of the gray raccoon body in the position shown. Use small, close stitches around the edge. Using black thread, sew on the black eye patches, nose, and ears in the positions shown. Sew the mouth as instructed below. For the mouth, you can sew a black line across the center and up the middle as shown to tack it down, instead of sewing around the pink shape. For the eyes, stack the white and black circles as shown. Then sew a small black X in the center of each pupil to tack down the whole eye. Using white thread, sew on the white stomach shape in the position shown. Sew the pink heart on top. Use black or white thread for the heart. Using black thread, sew on the 3 black tail stripes and 2 black leads as instructed below. Using black thread, sew down the legs and tail stripes where indicated by the dotted lines. Leave the bottom paws and outer edges of the tail stripes loose. Using black thread, sew the black dowel sleeve to the white back piece of the raccoon. This piece should face the opposite direction from the front. Position the sleeve as shown and sew along the top, left and right sides, leaving the bottom side open for the dowel to slide in. Be sure to leave enough space in the middle for the dowel to fit. Align the raccoon back piece to the raccoon front piece. Sew around the edge using black thread. Insert the dowel, and you're done!